Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to fix phone hub not working on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. Let me tell you that on your Chromebook you get a phone hub feature. Using it you can access your phone settings, applications and notification. So I already have a video on how you can connect your Android phone to your Chromebook. So I'll provide the video link in the I button or you will get the video link in the description box. Now, if you are facing issue with phone hub feature, then you can simply follow this troubleshooting method. First of all, try to restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the problem. To restart your Chromebook, click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon, then click on power icon, then click on restart. After that, check whether phone hub feature is enabled or not. For that, simply click on app launcher icon, open settings, click on connected devices option. Here click on your Android phone option and scroll down and simply enable the phone hub toggle. After that, you will get a phone hub icon on your Chromebook shelf. By clicking on this icon, you can access your phone hub features. However, if you're not connected with your Android phone and you are getting error, that make sure your phone is nearby and has Bluetooth turned on. So to fix this issue, first of all, simply turn on Bluetooth on your Chromebook. For that, click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon, turn on the Bluetooth option. After that, on your Android phone, simply turn on the Bluetooth feature. After that, click on phone hub icon and wait for the connection process to complete. Now here you can see the issue has been fixed. From here, you can turn on your hotspot, manage notification. You will get your recent photos and recently used application on your Chromebook. However, if you're still facing the issue, then you can simply repair your Android phone. For that, click on app launcher icon, open settings, click on connected devices, then click on Android phone option, then click on disconnect. Now here click on disconnect button and repair your Android phone. For that, click on setup button next to the Android phone settings. Connect both your devices with the same Wi-Fi network, then click on connect. Now enter your PIN, then click on done. And when you get all set window, click on done. Now here you can see your Android phone has been connected with your Chromebook. Now to access your phone hub feature, click on this phone hub icon and wait for the connection process to complete. And here you can see the connection has been successfully completed. However, if you are still facing some issue, then you can make sure you are running the latest Chrome OS version. To update your Chromebook, click on app launcher icon, open settings, click on about Chrome OS, and here click on check for updates and update your Chromebook to the latest Chrome OS version. So that's it. These are the troubleshooting method you can follow to fix phone hub not working on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.